So guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are learning about speed ramping in Filmora. So for that, let's go open up Filmora9, and in this video I want to use this footage, drag it down, then I'm gonna play it once. So guys, as you can see, the speed duration in this footage is normal, and if I want to change it to a little fast motion right over here, then I go for cut. I'm gonna change the speed in the beginning clip, so I'll go for this custom speed right over here. Then you can choose here slow, fast and normal. So I'm gonna go for fast, and I'm gonna use this one. Click there, and so guys, as you can see, the speed duration in the clip is changing, and it's quite fast than the previous clip. And then right over here, this one, I'm gonna go it for slow. So go for this custom speed again, then click in the slow, and you can choose the duration. So I'm gonna use this one. So guys, as you can see, the last clip is slower, and the beginning right here, it's faster than the normal duration. So guys, this is it, and if you guys want to learn more about tutorial in Filmora9, please subscribe to my channel, and then see you in the next video, guys.